Oh my God, when I was being driven to this place, I felt totally at peace. The environment was actually very serene and giving. Permit me to introduce you to our newest acquisition called Glory Heights, located in Ogbaku, right here in Imo State. Ogbaku is a very beautiful, serene location, just 15 minutes away from the iconic Assumpta Cathedral in Imo State. If you have been to Imo State before, you know the iconic Assumpta Cathedral. This place is beautiful, this place is amazing, this place is absolutely fantastic. I must tell you of a truth.
Glory Heights Estate Ogbaku is a beautiful collaboration between Afanobis Real Estate and Spread Home Properties Limited. In this beautiful estate, we allocate instantly, and we also give you free irrevocable power of attorney and survey plan.
I want to shake your hand. I want to shake your hand for the decision that you are taking to becoming a landlord and owning a piece of the earth right here at Glory Heights here in the city of Ogbaku, Imo State. We're looking forward to seeing you. You've seen it all. We want to welcome you. Rush down to our office at Owerri-Onitsha Road here in the city of Owerri, and let's get on the journey making you to becoming landlord. If you can't come by yourself, send your friends, send your relatives, send your colleague. Let them come to our office, have a conversation, and you will be on your way to becoming an owner of a plot, 2 plots, 3 plots, 50 plots, as the case may be. I'd love you to take that decision. Come on board and be part of the great thing that we are doing here in the Glory Heights here in the city of Owerri. You're welcome. Come on board.
The size of each plot of land right here is 465 square meters, which is 100 feet by 50 feet. And it comes with irrevocable power of attorney as title and survey plan, and is selling for promo price of just 2.5 million naira. So call or WhatsApp us on 08060766340 for free site inspection, for more inquiries, and to secure your plot or plots of land before the price increases. Okay, I am Justin Nwadike, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching property deal videos like this in Owerri, in Imo State, if you like watching educative videos regarding real estate in Owerri and in Imo State, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share, so that when we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed. Okay, have a lovely day. I will see you again, and bye for now.